Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable wallet app on iPhone. So first, what we'd want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see the screen time options right there, and scroll down again till you see the content and privacy restrictions. You want to click on that and open it up, then go to allowed apps. Once you're there, you will see the wallet app just below the Siri and the quotation. So if you want to disable it, just tap on the switch button right there at the right side and wait for some seconds so that the app will be disabled. So as you can see, it is still on my home page. If you wait, as you can see, it is now gone. Even if we search it at the app library, it will be gone. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.